Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Dor O Matic. This is their part number 420410896. This is an Astroslide Bottom Guide Assembly. Don't leave a lot of room there to get that in and out. Okay, here is the bottom guide assembly. For Astroslide 1 and 2 sliders, for 96K, 96K2 sliders as well. And this video is really just going to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Okay, overall height, about 1 inch and 11/16. Overall length of the sliding block, 2 inch by 1 inch. By about 5/16. Okay. The aluminum block at the top, and overall width, about 1.5 inches. Okay. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Dor O Matic products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog and other encyclopedic documents that are kept there as well, such as installation manuals and wiring diagrams, things of that nature we would keep there. If there's a document that you're looking for, please let us know. We'll make every attempt to get our hands on it for you. If you have any questions on the Dor O Matic, this is their part number 420410896. Astroslide Bottom Guide Assembly, or any other Dor O Matic product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.